Guys, here's my Guardsman I got from VacMaster. Let's see here. Model C1433-010. Actually, I've done a few mods. This has a metal brush roll to it now, along with a motor, like I said in my video from yesterday. Let's see, I'm trying to find out which way is the correct way to hold the camera. This way. But here is the heavy-duty one it came out of. This is a Decade 80. So, go ahead here. Plug it in. The only thing I don't care for too much is the really long, heavy gauged wiring. Sounds a lot nicer. But that's a lot better sounding than what it sounded like beforehand with the other motor.